Ingredients are, we have the minced garlic, chopped onions, a little tomato puree, green peas, potatoes, carrots, and chayote. And of course, we have the extra virgin olive oil. We have also the oyster sauce, black pepper, and some sesame oil, and salt. And of course, the minced pork. Okay, that's the minced garlic and extra virgin olive oil. Now I added the chopped onions. Now I added the minced pork. So I'll just cover this for a while to let it cook with the onions and the garlic. I added a little bit of the tomato puree. I don't want to add more of it because it's acidic for me. And now it's time to add the vegetables. Okay, the pork looks cooked. Now I'd like to sprinkle a little sesame oil. Yeah, it smells good with the sesame oil. Okay, I added the carrots, the chayote, and the potatoes. Okay, I'll let it simmer first or boil for a few minutes to cook the vegetables. And I forgot to show the soy sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit. I just added oyster sauce, about a tablespoon, but you can add more if you want. So That's according to preference. And also salt and pepper. I'll cover it to simmer for a little bit more. Now it's time to add the green peas. This will cook like 3 minutes or so, 2 to 3 minutes, and this will be done. So cover it again to cook the green peas. Now, by the way, as you notice, I added a little bit of water, like 1/4 or 1/2 cup of water, just to make it a little bit not so dry. So now this is about cooked. Yeah, this is just a simple dish. It's only the preparation that takes time to slice all the vegetables. Yeah, this is about done now. I just have to taste a little bit if it's really cooked. The potato is cooked already. So this is done. Okay, I'm adding oil for the chicken. I'm just using a vegetable oil. It looks dark in the camera.
So in my flour for my fried chicken, I put salt, pepper, garlic powder. So I put plenty because I have a lot of flour. And then paprika.
Yeah, this is the cornstarch. So we're mixing cornstarch with this flour mixture to make it more crispy. That's the marinated chicken, and we're still waiting for the oil to be hot enough. Breading the chicken with the mixed flour. By the way, with this chicken we marinated with
Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and an egg.
one egg.
One egg.
And then we dredge it with here in the mixed flour. The flour that's mixed with cornstarch. Salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika. And once the oil is hot, we're gonna deep fry it for 13 to 15 minutes
Yeah, exactly.
because it's bone in. Okay, let's try. I think it's already hot enough. Okay, it is.
These are the results of the chicken that we cooked. And the remaining chicken.